In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and subscribe to calendars in Google Calendar, a feature that can significantly enhance your productivity and keep you organized. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Calendar website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type Google Calendar into the search bar. Hit enter, and in the search results, click on the first link you see. This should take you straight to Google Calendar's main interface. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to create an account or log in using your existing Google account. On the sign in page, enter your email addresses and click the Next button. Afterward, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you use a strong, unique password and then click Next again to access your calendar. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Calendar dashboard. To add a new calendar, look at the left-hand side of the screen under Other Calendars and click on the plus sign. This opens up a menu with several options. Here you want to click on Subscribe to Calendar. This is your gateway to integrating various calendars into your Google Calendar. A great feature of Google Calendar is the ability to subscribe to calendars associated with different email accounts. From the list, select the email address you want to associate with this new calendar. If it's not already listed, you may need to enter it manually. Once you've selected your chosen email, Google Calendar will prompt you to request access. This step is crucial, especially if the calendar belongs to someone else. Click on Request Access, and a notification will be sent to the owner of that calendar. You'll need to wait for their permission before you can start viewing their schedule. Subscribing and creating calendars not only keeps you organized, but also helps you stay in sync with colleagues, family, or other teams you're working with. If you receive the access request granted notification, congratulations! You've successfully subscribed to a new calendar. Remember to regularly check your email for these notifications if you're waiting for access, as it's easy to overlook them. With your new calendar linked, it's a good idea to customize it to your liking. You can set notifications for upcoming events, adjust visibility settings, or even color code your calendars for clarity. Having multiple calendars can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with these customizable tools, you can keep everything visible and manageable. And there you have it, your guided tour on creating and subscribing to calendars in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage personal and professional commitments all in one place. Happy scheduling, and thanks for watching.